In this video, I'd like to show you two features of the page builder: hotspots and collapsible panels. With our software, you can make any image interactive by adding hotspots to it, meaning you can make certain areas of the image clickable or interactive. For instance, here's an attractive mobile website. The top part of it is a large graphic, but within that we've made the circle that says call interactive so that if you click on that, in a mobile device, it would call a number. Email would pull up the email client, and Connect would take you to another page, for instance, a form. In this video, we'll show you how to do that, as well as talk about collapsible menus. So, for more responsive navigation, you can basically click on a tab and make sections of the mobile page collapsible, which enables you to collapse or make the interface more compact for user experience. Let's go into the account for this website, and we'll click on the home page, hit edit for that, and then first of all, let's add the top header graphic to it and then make that interactive with hotspots. We click on the picture widget and we upload an image. We already have this image in our library, so we just select this green earth image, and now let's add a new hotspot. So I create a selection box and put that around the call area. Click on edit for that, and then I have a link editor for that particular hotspot. And let's make this one call a phone number. So I just type in the phone number here. Now let's add a second hotspot and drag our selection around the email area of the image and edit this one. And then within that, we'll specify email address and link that to an email address. So on a smartphone or any mobile device, it would automatically launch the email client. And then we create a third hotspot around this connect circle, and make that into an interactive button. Yeah, if you click anywhere on outside of the image, you'll see the activation. It'll activate that hotspot. And we'll link this one to another page and link that to the volunteer page. Okay, so save it, and we'll move the picture to the top of the page builder. And so now we have this header image. Now we can even open it in a browser and interact with it directly. And as you can see, these areas are now interactive. When you roll over, they look like buttons, and the connect links to the volunteer form page that we just specified. The next thing we're going to do is add a form for collecting email addresses. And that's really quite simple. You just add a form object, and then we're going to delete all the fields except for the email address, because we want a very simple form for mobile user experience. So here we'll delete some of the standard ones you usually see if we just want to collect basic information. And you can, of course, add any field you want as well. Whether that's a code or a birthday or some other kind of drop down, you can do that right here. So for this one, we'll just show the email address field. And we'll call this one sign up for our mailing list. And let's add an icon to that from the library here. And then let's move that form to the top. That way it'll appear right below the image. So now let's make that part of the form collapsible. To do that, simply edit that tab and then click on collapse this section. And you'll see that it views as collapsible, and then it expands and collapses in the preview. Most widgets on the page builder platform could be made collapsible, meaning any type of text, image, or other buttons, forms, maps, almost anything could be turned into a collapsible option. That way you can definitely fit more features in this section. So for the text, you just click collapse this section and it would appear as accordion style on that home page as well.